Hey everybody, I'm Joe, and today we're going to take a look at the 2025 Avenue 32 RLS. This thing's coming in at 34 feet in length and has a dry weight of 10,500 pounds. Let's take a look. Starting on the rear of the Avenue 32 RLS, you're going to notice a 3-cushion sofa that does fold out into the size of about a queen-size bed. Additionally, on each end of the sofa, you're going to notice end tables with hidden flip-up storage. And then down below, you're going to have 110 power as well as USB power with both A and C charge types. Now, your entertainment area is fully optimized. You have storage above with soft close cabinets. You have a ton of storage behind your TV. Down below, you're gonna have a mantle, and there's secret storage in this mantle. You can actually pull it out. This is a great spot to put your remotes or anything that you might lose during travel easily. And then down below, you're gonna have an electric fireplace. And this is all optimally positioned across from your theater seating. In the slide out of the Avenue 32 RLS, you're gonna notice that it's 80 inches tall, giving you tons of headroom over in this area. You're also gonna notice that across the board on all Alliance products, you're gonna have flush floor slides on every slide out. Here is your theater seat. This is nice. These do hug the wall and they fully recline. You also have hidden cup holders down here with power, both 110 and USB. And behind me is going to be your 4-person free-floating dinette. You have 2 chairs and then a bench across from it. Now that bench doubles as a movable ottoman where it pulls out and there's storage inside of it, so you could use it as an ottoman to eat on or to sit on when you're in camp mode. In the kitchen of the 32 RLS, you're going to find a large kitchen island with solid surface countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, a very nice faucet, and then directly behind me, you're going to have tons of cabinetry, a 30-inch residential microwave, 3-burner cooktop stove with a pretty large oven. And now something special about our cabinetry is we're actually using a hardwood. It's a birch glazed hardwood. It also can support up to 90 pounds in here. Next to me is going to be your 16 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. Additionally, in your kitchen space, you're going to find tons of storage. Right here is going to be your large pantry that features adjustable shelves, has an automatic light in there, and you have 110 power in here so you can charge your vacuums or anything else that you need in your closet space. Directly next to that, you're going to find your great Hutch area. And I do want to make a quick note, this is prototype number 1, so we don't have the backsplash right now, but we will throw up a photo of what it will look like on a dealer lot near you. So what you're going to have here in your Hutch area is tons of storage up above. You're going to have a nice little cubby that features USB power, both A and C charge type. Down here, you're going to have solid surface countertops, and that will extend up the full length back here as well. In the bathroom of the 32 RLS, you're going to find a 30 by 50 inch shower, and this is a single piece shower, so it's all one piece, making it very convenient. You're also going to have a glass shower door that fully closes. You're going to have a nice vanity area with a large medicine cabinet. Then directly across from that, you're going to have additional storage with towel hooks over here, another linen closet space, and then down below, you're going to have a porcelain toilet with a soft close lid. And one of my favorite features has to be the illuminated light switch in case you're trying to use the restroom in the evening hours. Moving to the bedroom of the 32 RLS, you're going to find a queen size bed. Now you can option in a king size if that's something you prefer. Next to the bed, you're going to find end tables, and down below, you're going to find again USB ports, both A and C charge type and 110 power down there. Directly across from your bed, you're going to find space for a 32-inch TV. Moving underneath your large window, you're going to find your 4-dresser drawer with a shoe garage down below. And up top, you're going to find hidden storage on top of your dresser. And then directly behind me, you're going to find your large front closet that is sure to meet all your needs during your adventures. It's also prepped for a washer and a dryer. Before we go outside and talk about some of the great features out there, I want to talk about some of the key features you're going to find across the board on the Alliance product, and these are all customer-driven features. Like our residential can lights. We're also going to have flush floor slides throughout the coach, direct dump ACs. Additionally, you're going to have color-coded number wiring, so when there is an issue, it's easy to diagnose. You're also going to have water shutoff valves at every major plumbing location. Now, let's take a step outside. Starting on the exterior of the all-new 2025 Avenue 32 RLS, Let's talk construction. It's one of the key features on why you'd consider joining the Alliance. The walls are made of 100% composite material, both exterior and interior, meaning it's going to give you tons of protection. Moving to the roof of it, you're going to have 16 on-center joists. You're also going to have a layer of PVC roof membrane. Now, this PVC roof membrane comes with a lifetime warranty. It also has tons of benefits to it. Now let's check out some of the campsite features. On the campsite of your trailer, let's start with your large pass-through storage. There is tons of space in here that's sure to meet all your needs during your adventures. Room for kayaks, chairs, tables, anything you can need. You're also gonna have a motion censored light in there on a 72-inch LED diffused light. And then back here, you're gonna have your cable hookups, 110 power, so you can bring a TV out here. And down below, there's actually an LP quick connect, really making this the ultimate tailgate experience out here. Moving to the entrance of the Avenue 32 RLS, we're gonna talk about your steps. These are those step above steps by MoreRide. They're gonna give you 4 steps, which is gonna minimize the distance between each step. Additionally, you're gonna have the MoreRide safety rail that extends the whole length of the steps and fully collapses against the wall when you're in travel mode. Let's talk about where the rubber meets the road, the performance running gear. With the performance running gear, you're gonna find 1/2-inch shackle hitch, a 2-inch torsion tube giving you more rigidity into the frame, the CRE 3000 suspension system, 7,000-pound leaf springs, and 6,000-pound Dexter axles, as well as 16-inch Goodyear endurance tires, giving you the ultimate performance on those rough roads when you're traveling. The rear wall of the Avenue 32 RLS may look ordinary, but it's far from it. Let's start with your big boy approved steel ladder. This makes getting up and down your coach very easy, and you feel very confident doing it. Additionally, up above, you're gonna notice a little black plug. This is your spot for your 12-volt backup camera system, where you can use any backup camera system you want to. Down below, you're gonna find your 2-inch hitch receiver, which is great for 300 pounds of down pressure and 3,000 pounds of towing. Additionally, you're gonna find a spray port here, so that way, if you have dirty kids, dirty dog, dirty feet, whatever it is, it's a great spot just to rinse them off back here. Also note that the steel ladder can double as a spot to leash up Fido. Now moving to the off-camp side of your Avenue 32 RLS, you're gonna find a 62K furnace, an on-demand water heater giving you as much hot water as you want. And then moving into the off-camp side pass-through, you're gonna find your Nautilus system with an easy-to-read guide on how to set it up no matter where you're camping at. Additionally, you're gonna have 110 power over here, and you're gonna have 2 more 3-way switches for your 2 slide outs on the off-camp side. At the front of the Avenue 32 RLS, you're gonna find an automotive grade painted front cap. On the roof, you're gonna find 2 13.5 ACs. You can option on a third if you would like. You're also gonna have a 320 watt solar panel standard. And Avenue offers the off-the-grid package, which gives you up to 960 watts from the factory. So why would you wanna buy the all-new 2025 Avenue 32 RLS? Let's talk about the company story for a second. It was founded by 2 brothers, Ryan and Coley Brady, and what they decided to do was build a higher quality product that listened to the customer. And we have lived to those standards from day one by always listening to the consumer and implementing customer-driven features every single day. For more information on the all-new 2025 Avenue product, go to generalrv.com.